so powerful. Grateful. One word that express my love. Express my love. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. Lift your voice, say thank you. Thank you. So simple. So simple, yet so powerful. So powerful. So powerful. Yeah, grateful. Grateful. One word I express my love. Express my love. Express my love. I've come to say thank you. Thank you. It's a simple word. So simple yet so powerful. So powerful. So powerful. I am grateful. Grateful. I bring one word. One word that express my love. Express my love. Express so my love. I am grateful. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. I am grateful. I am grateful. Jesus, Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. I am grateful. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. Father, I am grateful. Thank you for your mercy. I am grateful. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. Yeah. Oh, I say. Yeah. Oh, I say. Can you lift your voice and say? Oh, I say. Hey. Can you lift your voice and say? Oh, I say. 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 Thank you for protection. Thank you for my life. Oh, I say Jesus. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. We are grateful. We are grateful. Oh, I say. Oh, I say. We are grateful. Oh, I say. We are grateful. Oh, I say. I am grateful. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Oh, be Lord. Oh, be Lord. I am grateful. Look at what you made out of my life. Oh, I say. I think of all you've done for me. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. When I think about the goodness of the Lord, oh, be Lord. When I think about His mercies, I am grateful. And His kindness, I am grateful. And His protection, and His favor. Somebody raise your voice and say, Lord, I'm grateful. Lord, I'm grateful. Lord, I'm grateful. Thank you for protecting me. 30 seconds, just lift your voice to Jesus. Thank you for the future that I see. Thank you for the present. Thank you for the past. Thank you for fighting my battles for me. Thank you for going ahead of me to make crooked places straight. I am not deserving of your kindness, but see what you have done with my life. The one that was rejected has become the chief cornerstone. It is because of the mercy of God. It is not because of anything that I have done right. It is because of your mercy. I am grateful. I am grateful. Oh, Biro. Oh, Biro. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Thank you for your love, Jesus. I am grateful. Thank you for loving Jesus. I am grateful. Thank you for loving someone like me. Oh, Biro. Oh, Biro. I am grateful. Jesus, I am grateful. Who is it? Who is it?
Let the church shout hallelujah.